Hey guys! If you have already watched the skin glow up video, then get ready, because now we are starting the eyes glow up. Today, I'll share some simple hacks and routines that can make your eyes look brighter, fresh, and naturally beautiful. So let's begin. Step 1. Dark circles and puffiness. Dark circles can make eyes look tired. One of the easiest remedies is to place cucumber slices or chilled green tea bags on your eyes for 10 minutes. You can also apply aloe vera gel or potato juice under your eyes at night. This helps reduce puffiness and keeps the under eye area soft. Step 2. Eyebrows glow up. Eyebrows frame your face, so shaping them makes a huge difference. Keep them neat by trimming or threading lightly. For natural filling, always use a brown eyebrow pencil or powder, not black, to avoid a harsh look. Step 3. Eyelashes care. Long lashes make eyes instantly attractive. Curl them with an eyelash curler before applying mascara. For natural growth, apply castor oil or vitamin E oil on your lashes at night. Do this regularly for stronger and thicker lashes. Step 4. Eyeliner and kajal tricks. A thin eyeliner line close to the lashes makes eyes look bigger and more defined. If you want a fresh, wide-awake look, apply white or nude kajal on your waterline instead of black. Step 5. Eye care routine. The real glow up comes from rest. Always sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. If you spend long hours on screen, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Also, wash your eyes with plain cold water to relax them. Extra hacks. Apply rose water drops when eyes feel tired. Do a gentle eye massage with your fingertips to improve circulation. So that was my eyes glow up routine. These small steps will make your eyes look brighter, healthier, and naturally beautiful. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because in the next part of the Glow Up series, we'll move to another exciting feature. Stay tuned.